Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created an AJAX call to send category ID for category deletion in store procedure via action listener in controller. So now we have to create this action listener naming delete in the controller. For that we need to stop the execution. We will copy the update action listener and hit enter, replace update with delete. In this we only need to send the ID, and here we have filter delete. Now we will go to the store procedure, use if else here, and having filter delete, and we will say delete this table where the ID is equal to this, and execute. Now execute the whole application once and repeat the life cycle. So now when I will click on delete, it will remove or destroy the data table first, then remove record, then reinitiate the table again with the available record on the front end. But after deleting successfully record from the database, if it is not able to delete record from the database, it will not process that here, and in the last we will get success message of deleting the record from the database. Okay, so let's tally the data from database. We have 3 record. We are going to delete 11. Delete, and here what we have, oh yes, navchar to end. It is saying you are not able to convert navchar to end. Yes, we are sending this here in pcat id. Okay, so figure out where we have the problem. Here we have the temp id. Oops, here we are getting this. Let's see what we have on delete. In delete button 1 EQ, we are having this. We don't need to use children. We are also having this. This is the TD. This is the parent. This is the children. We have EQ 0. We need its text. So here is it, and before what is it? It is same, I think so. Now copy this and place that here. Continue, refresh once again, so it is rendered in the DOM, and let's see what's happened. As I have already explained that if the data is not deleted from the backend, it will not update it on the front end. So data is deleted, but it is not updated in the front end. Let's see here in the DB. Okay, we have successfully deleted the record, but yes, it is not updated because we are using this, and this attribute or property is representing result. So what we need to use where temp instance is equal this, and now we will pass temp instance here, and it is done. Refresh once again and delete the record again, and you will see that it will refresh front end. We are going to delete 11, so the record is updated 1 and 1, and refresh, and you will see the same record available here. I hope this video is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.